me do a quick recap for YouTube here. So today was a very slow day in the market. As all of you know here in stream, we are leading up to these elections. We expect the market to be slow. We've already priced in a lot in the market. And other than that, people are just trying to avoid the volatility. You can see today is just a doji on the day. There's no movement happening today on this Monday. So we did end up getting a formation in NEO here. This is a stock that we traded the first week of the small account challenge, I believe. We ended up getting in over this 34 level. And our stop was, we had two mental stops. Our stop really was 33 and 32. But 33 was our intraday stop for the people who were interested in watching this trade with me. First target was 35. It missed our target just barely, not close enough to get out. If it was 1 or 2 cents higher, I might have gotten out of this one. Just barely missed, ended up pulling down and coming down and testing our stop here. So we're getting out of this one during the lunch session, just waiting for volatility to dry out a little bit, fix the option prices just a tad. But this was a OBO opening breakout trade. You can see the pullback, kind of a U shape here overall. Ended up breaking over this resistance level in the first candle and this candle over here, and broke up, made a decent breakout, but didn't quite hit this 1R 1-to-1 level. And so we didn't get profit in this one, but that's okay. We came into this week kind of expecting losses, expecting the market to act kind of strange. We're still going to take 1 or 2 trades here and there just in case an opportunity. We still need to take opportunities as they present themselves, and you still have to follow your rules. You still have to follow your strategy to make sure that your strategy is still working. You have to test your strategy over different periods of time during different market conditions, so you know how your strategies and your rules and your trading structure works in different market conditions. So right now we're exposing my rules, my strategies, and my trading structure to an election market condition, and we're seeing how this works. We're just going to take it slow for the rest of the week, or at least for today and tomorrow, I should say, for the beginning of this week. We're just going to take it slow. But that's the only trade we took today. We were also watching Tesla, which ended up making a pretty decent move up. Switch back to the hand tool. You can see it made a pretty decent move up, but inevitably pulled back. We would have taken this one, except in the small account, we couldn't afford an option, a call in this one, but would have taken it over 396, stop under 393. That's a 3-point stop. Target was 400. That's a 4-point target. That's over 1-to-1. That was a good trade, but ended up continuing up all the way over 407. Hit 407 and then reversed back down. You can see the market overall here on the day has just been pretty choppy. Came down out of the open, moved up, and then has been pulling back ever since. Stocks are trading with the market sometimes, trading against the market sometimes. It's just a choppy day overall. So we'll take a small loss for the day and move on and be back tomorrow. So thank you everybody who came in and joined me in this stream. I will be back tomorrow, a few minutes before the market opens, to run through a watch list and discuss the current market condition in the morning. And for everybody who has watched this stream, chatted with me, everybody who's watching the YouTube video, thank you very much for watching and for supporting what I'm trying to do with this trading education. I appreciate it, and I hope you learned something from this, and I'll see you tomorrow morning.